Hi guys, so I'm into the Edit Plus at the moment, and as discussed, so today we'll discuss how to make a text bold. And till now, we have already seen how to add a paragraph and a line break. So today, our topic will be to discuss how to make a text bold. So if you can see here that I have a text here as the basic rules of football, and I want to make this text as bold. So how am I going to do that? I will quickly get into this and open an angular bracket, just write B and then close it. And similarly, I'm going to close it before the closing tag of paragraph tag. Now this is very important. I want to let you know that if you are opening a tag inside a paragraph tag, you must close it before that particular tag is ending. So it's not necessary it should be a paragraph tag, it can be any tag. So if you're opening it here, you must close it before this tag ends. Okay, so if you just quickly do Control B, can you see this text has become bold? Now, what if I want to make this particular text as bold? You might say, so we'll add the B tag and we can close it here. That will work. But I'm going to show you one more trick. So here I'm going to add, instead of B tag, I'm going to add strong tag. And similarly, I'm going to close it. Let's just do Control B. You can see this text is also reflecting as bold and this text is also reflecting as bold. Now, you must be wondering that how am I going to differentiate and where to use a strong tag and where to use a bold tag. The major difference is when we use strong tag is only when we want to highlight a text and try to give some importance for that particular text in the content. For example, here I want to emphasize the word football in this entire text. That's the reason I have used a strong tag. But this is just an heading and I want to make sure that this one should be in bold. So I just used a B tag. So this is the major difference between a strong tag and a B tag, where a strong tag signifies the importance of that particular text in the content, and B tag is just highlighting a text only. Okay, so thank you so much for watching and enjoy learning.